Many of us have valuables that we'd like to keep safe. And what better place to keep them than securely locked away in one of these? Actually, by law, there are certain items that you need to keep in an SABS-approved safe. And at Builders, Yale has a range of safes available to you. They're strong and SABS-approved, therefore they comply with the laws and with your insurance. They have safety features like a tamper alarm, emergency 9-volt terminal in case the battery dies, key hooks, and an LED light inside the safe. Opening the safe can be done using the digital keypad or with the override key. The safe includes 4 AA batteries and the fasteners to secure it to the floor or a wall. Let me show you how easy it is to install. What you'll need is a hammer drill or an SDS drill to make your life easier, a 10mm SDS drill bit, a pencil, and a 10mm socket and ratchet. First, decide the position of the safe, preferably somewhere hidden. I'm going with my linen cupboard. Remember, it comes with all the 4 bolts and the holes to secure it to the wall. Mark off the position of the holes and then drill them with a 10mm bit. Now insert the plugs into the holes and tighten them just a bit. This will lock the plugs into the wall. Now remove the bolt, leaving the plug inside. Place the safe in the position and secure the bolts through the holes. There you go. The safe is securely installed and ready for you to use. Just remember to change the code following these easy instructions on the manual. And remember, everything I use is available at Builders, in-store or online at builders.co.za. And for more how-to videos like this, follow the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.